The chocolate rain. Emma woke up to find chocolate raindrops falling from the sky. She ran outside with a cup, catching the sweet drops. Yum! Soon, kids danced in the chocolate rain, and even the trees had chocolate-covered leaves. But then, a big rainbow appeared and, poof, the chocolate rain turned back to water. Emma smiled. "Best morning ever," she said, licking the last sweet drop from her cheek.